Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the classic block. This pattern is actually really fun. You just need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a double crochet. So to get started, we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain of the hook, we are going to work 3 double crochets, followed by chaining 2 and working 4 double crochets. Chaining 2, working another set of 4 double crochets. Chaining 2 and working another set of 4 double crochets. These are all going to be in the last chain, as you can see. Then we are going to chain 2 and we are going to slip stitch our work into that chain from the start. So now we are going to chain 5. And in the chain 2 space, we are going to work 4 double crochets, followed by chaining 2 and working 4 more double crochets in that same chain 2 space. Then you will chain 2 and repeat this into the next chain 2 space. So you'll repeat this completely in the round, and it'll be always working in the chain 2 space from the previous row. So you will work 4 double crochets followed by chaining 2, then working 4 more double crochets and then chaining 2, and you will just do this until you get all the way back to where you started. So here we are in the last chain 2 space. We're going to work 4 double crochets, chain 2, then we will work 3 double crochets, and then join with a slip stitch into that chain 5. And there you go. Next, we will chain 3. And in that chain 2 space, we are going to work 3 double crochets, followed by chaining 2, and then going into the next chain 2 space. And we'll be working our 4 double crochets, followed by chaining 2, and then working 4 more double crochets in that same chain 2 space. Next, in the following chain 2 space, we're going to work only 1 set of the 4 double crochets. So what ends up happening is we are working on the side right now, so the corner of this block. That's why there are 2 sets of 4 double crochets. And then on the side piece right here, we are only working 1 set of the 4 double crochets. So here we are again coming at the corner. We're going to work 4 double crochets, followed by chaining 2 and working 4 more double crochets in the same space. Then we will chain 2, go into the next chain 2 space and work 4 double crochets, chain 2. Now we're on a corner again, so it'll be 2 sets of 4 double crochets. And to finish off, we will chain 2. And we're going to join with a slip stitch. And there you have it. That is how you crochet a classic block. This pattern is super fun. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.